Hello, viewers. Hope everyone is good. Today we are going to discuss uh, how to generate JSON reporting with Playwright. Okay, how to generate JSON reporting with Playwright. This is my existing project. On this project, we are creating videos, and so we will see how to generate JSON report. So previously we have seen HTML report, JUnit report. Now we are seeing the JSON report. Okay, first we will run through. We will execute our test cases and we will generate the HTML report, how the HTML report looks. So, so I am running the test cases. Okay, can you see here? So total 13 test cases are passed and to open last HTML report, run this command. Okay, execute this command. See, automatically HTML report got opened. Okay, so here when you try to see here, you can see how many test cases 13 passed. All 13 test cases passed 13, 0 failed, 0 skipped. Okay. This is how you will see the HTML report. Now we will try to generate the JSON report. What I'll do now, I'll comment this one. So add same thing report. Okay. Add JSON here. So output file. We need to provide the output file. Output file. So what is the file name we can provide? Execution report dot JSON. Okay. This is our output file. Okay. So here we generated the JSON report, right? So JSON, the output file name. Okay, now try to run the same test cases. Okay, and just check here now. We are not seeing any like suggestion. Run this command to open the last report like that. You know that suggestion comes only for the HTML report. Now we are not seeing anything. Just 13 test cases passed. This is the terminal is giving. Okay, command is giving. After running the test cases, we are seeing 13 passed in this terminal. Now, can you observe here exe report.json? Copy this path. Means it created the JSON report under the Playwright project folder structure. See, exe report.json is the file name we have given, right? Go here and try to open it and we'll understand the report. Can you see here? JSON report, config file name. This is the file name. So root directory. Huh? It is giving all and this is the file name. See, suits from here. The suit side, check. This is our first suit. This is the other test case. Another test case. This is the suit name. This is the file name, like that. Okay, this is the JSON report. This is the JSON report. See, sometimes, as I work, so people will see HTML report by default. Playwright is giving suggestion, or if you want to create, you can create JSON report or JUnit report or Allure report, anything. So the company may ask anything. So you are able to give the output, report of output. So, as in my experience, when we are working with this Playwright only, some team asked us to generate JUnit report, and also some team asked particularly JSON report. JSON report will be asked at any time. So, and finally, we are going with Allure report. Allure reporting also third party. So, all these reports we covered in our videos. You can go and check it. Thank you. Hope this is a very helpful session, guys. Thank you.